Turmeric powder is a spice which is added to gravies or curries to give a color as well as flavor and taste to the curry. But sometimes if the turmeric powder becomes excess, it affects the taste and flavor of the curry. Today, I am going to give you a set of 5 tips how to reduce the turmeric taste in the curries. Listen to all of them carefully. In case you have any other doubts or queries, leave them in the comment section below because we answer to all the questions. Tip number 1. If it is a curry or a gravy to which you can add potatoes, then you can mash some potatoes or chop them and add it to the gravy or curry and cook it on slow fire. After some time, the potatoes would have absorbed or pulled the excess turmeric taste and flavor in the curry. Tip number 2. You can try adding acidic agents like a teaspoon or 2 of vinegar or lemon juice or even tamarind paste. You can add this mix well and cook it on slow fire. In the place of all these 3, you can even try adding some fried chopped tomatoes or even tomato sauce. You can mix it well to the gravy and then cook it on slow fire. This will also reduce the turmeric taste in the curry. Third, next is you can trying if the coconut milk could be added in the curry. That will also be a very good option. Cook it on slow fire adding coconut milk. Tip number 4. Take a small cup, add a ladle of curd, some salt, some chili powder and then mix it thoroughly. If needed, you could even add about half a teaspoon of jaggery or sugar. Mix it thoroughly and then add this mixture to the curry or the gravy and cook it on slow fire. After some time, you will find that the excess turmeric taste and the flavor is also adjusted in the curries or gravies. Thank you.